Absorption mode. Smart mode.
Okay, we get some paperwork. This is letting us know how to download the app for both Android and iOS users. Some more paperwork. Owner's manual. This is well written and it's in different languages. This has 4 different cleaning modes. By default, it will turn on in smart mode. So the smart mode will adjust itself if it needs more solution or more suction. And then we have the max mode. We have a sterilization mode. And then we have suction only mode. That's good to pick up spills. Some technical specifications there. It takes 4 hours to charge. It gives a runtime of 45 minutes, but that depends what you're cleaning and how dirty the floor is. It has 2 tanks. The clean tank is 1 litre. The dirty water tank is 0.9 litre. We get a spare roller brush, a charger. This is a 2-pin one, so I will need an adapter. A cleaning brush, spare filter, and the battery. So the battery can get charged while it's in the machine. You put the machine on here and it will start charging. It has contact points there, or you could charge the battery while it's in there. I haven't seen this feature on any other cordless cleaning machine, wet and dry cleaning machine. So you could use a spare battery while you're charging one up and you could carry on with your cleaning. This is a storage / charging base. So that's where everything was stored in its place. It has contact points there. They match up with the contact points on the machine and it will start charging. At the front, these are UV lights, and then it has a fan there as well which will dry the roller. That's what it looks like from the bottom. It has 4 rubber pads there. They're the contact points for the battery. The handle, on off button there. That's the mode selector, and as I mentioned before, it has 4 modes. Self clean button there. At the bottom you could see the contact points there. They match up with the contact points on the charging base and it will start charging. At the bottom we have 2 large wheels, we have 2 little wheels, and a squeegee, the roller. The path is narrow. If you've got any larger particles, you'll have to pick them up by hand first. Them 2 there, that's to remove the roller. Just pinch them, that comes off. That's what that looks like. And then we just pull the roller out. This top gauge can be removed as well for further cleaning. Just pinch these 2 tabs here, lifts off. That's what it looks like from there. That's what it looks like from there. Push that back in and remove that by accident. And it will only go in one way. Just push it back on. And then this would go back on, like so. It just fits back on. This is the dirty water tank. If I just lift this up, push that down, pull it out. It's got the filter there. If I just open this, it's got that little part in there. So if you do get any pet hair caught up or any larger particles do manage to get through, then they will stay on there and then you could empty them into the bin. That's what it looks like. That filter, of course, it can be washed. There we go. So when you wash this, you can use the other filter. That just sits back in there, all the way around. Just show you the machine from there. That clicks back into place. At the back we have the clean water tank. lift that up. You fill this up with warm water and a cup full of PROSCENIC cleaning solution, or you could just use warm water. This does come with a sample bottle. However, I did not have one in my box. At the start of the video when I showed you the box, my box were damaged, so I think mine must have fallen out because there wasn't one in the box. There is a bit of water in there. That's when they test the units. Again, that will just fit back into place. The battery would, if I just lift out, the battery would go in there, just slide in. To remove it, just pinch that thing on the side there and it's removed. At the back there, that's the language button and mute. The handle will fit in there, and that's the display.
Charging.
Okay, let's link this up to the app. So I've turned it on. I have downloaded the app, PROSCENIC there. I had to give my email address in. They sent me a code. Then I picked a password. So now we need to add it. F20. I need to hold the power button for 5 seconds.
Wi-Fi reset. Entering network configuration mode.
The Wi-Fi symbol is flashing there as well. So please, okay, confirm. It's flashing. It only runs on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Just need to put my password in. I'll do that off camera. I've put my password in. Press next. Let's boy up PROSCENIC. Click that. And there we are. We are connected. It's letting us know that I haven't used it yet, but it's letting me know that clean water tank is normal, dirty water tank. That's smart mode, max mode.
Max mode.
Okay, so you could control the modes from the app as well.
Disinfection mode. Please make sure there is water.
I'm cancelling that because
Smart mode.
I'm cancelling that because there's no water in the tanks at the moment. Here we have some sauce, some fruit juice, and we haven't cleaned the floor for over a week because we knew we were getting this machine. I'm going to leave the setting in smart mode so the machine will decide how much solution and suction it needs.
Power on.
One pass, it's picked everything up. At the end, when I turned the machine off, you must have heard the pitch get slightly higher. It gets rid of anything caught up. Now I'm going to demonstrate the machine on an egg, and as you can see I have broken the shell by hand because, as I mentioned before, it will not pick up larger particles. So as you can see, the shell is on the outer part there, so I could just empty that in the bin, and then the tank. That's disgusting, that. And because this has a large tank, the max line is there, I could carry on cleaning. I don't need to empty this out straight away. Just to quickly point out, because of its tanks, you cannot lie this cleaner completely flat.
Max mode. Disinfection mode. Water absorption mode. Smart mode.
So I've emptied the dirty water tank, I've refilled the clean water tank, and if we have a look here at the app, it's saying turn on self-cleaning, which I'm going to do now.
Start self-cleaning. Please wait while the disinfectant is being made.
I don't know how long this is going to take, so I'll be cutting parts out because I don't want the video to drag on, because this is going to be a long video as it is, because there was a lot to cover.
The disinfectant is ready. Cleaning roller brush. Charging.
So I don't know if you'll be able to hear that.
Drying roller brush.
Yeah, the fan has come on and the UV lights are on as well, which is a good feature. Again, I haven't seen this feature on a wet and dry cleaner. If there is another model out there, please do let me know in the comment section below. This will stop the roller brush from smelling, but because I picked egg, sauce and fruit juice up, I will be taking the roller brush out and I will be washing it by hand. And of course I will be washing the dirty water tank and the filter. Just thought I'll show you the dirty water tank after it's done a clean cycle. Just remove that. So if you just have a quick look at the app, because when I showed you it before, I hadn't actually done any cleaning, so there were no data there. Now it's letting us know the clean water tank is normal, as is the dirty water tank. Battery level 77%. No, I don't want to do self-clean. If I go to records, it's showing us here how much cleaning we've done. So 81% in smart mode, 13% in max mode. You could share this as well with other people. They have a group, I think, where you could share it with other PROSCENIC users. If I just click on that, you can control the language and the volume from here as well.
Deutsch, Français, Italiano, Español, English.
The filter and roller are okay at the moment. So my overall thoughts, the good thing about cleaners like this, you do not need to vacuum before. It does both, it vacuums and washes at the same time. This is suitable to be used on all sealed hardwood floors. It is not recommended to be used on carpets. It performs really well. I like how close it gets to the edge. Really appreciate the 1 litre tanks. Not having to fill and empty often means you get the job done a lot quicker. My friends in US will really benefit from this as they have larger homes compared to us here in the UK. Battery life has been good. However, we've been using it in smart mode majority of the time. If you need more cleaning time, you could just pick up a spare battery. Speaking of battery, this is the one complaint I have, as the battery is removable. It would have been nice to charge the battery without the charging base. That way you could just charge it on a unit and the other battery can get charged on the charging base. That's my only complaint with this. It's not a deal breaker considering the performance on this. The floors don't get really wet as well if you use smart mode. Overall, I can recommend this machine. I think it's a fantastic piece of kit. Link in the description if you want to pick this up. Hope this video was useful. If it was, a like would be appreciated, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.